Hello everyone and welcome back to Can Coffee. Here we have this beautiful Especialita espresso machine. Now for this machine we replace the burst and we also replace the anti-static jug, the one that is right here. This basically takes care of delivering the coffee as well as the burst takes care of grinding the coffee itself and making sure it's uniform. So we replace those two on this grinder and now we are calibrating this beautiful grinder to our Elite Bianca. Hopefully we can do 9 bars of pressure and hopefully we have it at the right setting. So using our Elite Bianca portafilter, the bottomless basket, we're just gonna use the double grind. I'm just gonna grind this coffee. Perfect. That is a good level. And now we're gonna go to our Elite Bianca espresso machine where we're gonna be pulling this shot. Okay, now that we're back on in front of our Elite Bianca espresso machine, just gonna be using our distributor to make sure that we have everything that we're supposed to, and then we're gonna be using the tamper. That's a bit perfect. All the way, and then we're going to pull a shot. Now I'm gonna just let the lever on and then I'm gonna slowly open the flow control where it's going to get around 2 bars, and then I can just give it full power all the way to 9 bars. There you go. As you saw, it went past 9 bars. There you go. Good shot of espresso, brewing at 9 bars. Approximately 2 ounces of liquid right now. Oh. And as you can see, nice shot of espresso. Really, really good crema. As you can see, really good crema. Working great. Grinding perfectly fine. Alright, so there you have it. The Eureka Specialita grinder working once again and ready to brew. Thank you so much for repairing Can Coffee. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. Hit the like, hit the bell, and thanks for watching.